A city unseen by human eyes. Intelligence, courage, and community.
Thank you for the herbs. Be careful out there, Barnaby. Fresh herbs from the upper tunnels.
Wonderful. Thank you, Barnaby.
Please, Master Barnaby, take these for the others. We are grateful for the supplies.
Here are the herbs you requested.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Look out, Barnaby! Always in a hurry, those three.
That they are. Now, about the supplies.
We'll need enough for the whole week. There they go. Always teasing old Barnaby. Catch me if you can, Pip.
Wait up, I'm faster than you.
Finest berries today. Only 5 buttons.
I'll take this pouch full for 4.
Deal.
Good morning, Barnaby. Welcome home. Good afternoon, Barnaby.
Greetings, everyone.
We've got the freshest catch of the day right here.
In the center, a grand hall serves as a meeting place for the city's leaders.
Where the rabbit often delivers messages and scouts for new safe routes.
We must reach the supply cache before the next rainfall.
This path along the conduit is our best option.
Pay close attention to this section of the map, detailing the quickest route to the elderberry bush.
Life here is vibrant. Mice travel in teams, foraging for food, learning in small schools. Caring for the sick in their miniature hospitals. And playing joyfully in hidden playgrounds.
The rabbit hops along, helping carry supplies, warning of danger, and joining in the playful games.
Creativity is everywhere. Discarded objects are transformed into clever machines.
Lights shine from simple batteries, and a tiny control room monitors the tunnels above.
Life isn't without danger. Suddenly, the ground shakes from the human's construction above.
Run! It's coming down!
Help me!
Get out of the way! Move!
Panic spreads through the streets. Grab my paw, quickly now!
Thank you, oh thank you.
Everyone, move to the main tunnel! Hurry! This way!
The ceiling is collapsing! We have to evacuate now!
Silence! Regain control to the lower chambers, quickly! The mouse leaders! Gather the citizens!
And the rabbit guides them to safer paths, urging calm and quick action.
The transcription is as follows. To the west tunnels, now!
Come on, connect! We're losing the grid! Hold it together!
All elders, mobilize! Evacuate the main hall immediately!
You heard the elder. Move to the lower levels, quickly now! Elders, mobilize the lower districts!
Move! Quickly now!
All non-essential personnel to Sector 4! But life isn't without danger. Suddenly, the ground shakes from the human's construction above.
And the rabbit guides them to safer paths, urging calm and quick action.
To the west tunnels. Now!
To the surface tunnels, now! Maintain order!
Move everyone out! Quickly! Follow the beacon light!